Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up WinDurango, which is a compatibility layer that allows you to run Xbox One games on your PC. Currently, it's really early in development, and compatibility isn't very large, as is expected early in development. But a game that does work great right now is Minecraft Xbox One Edition, so that's what I'll be showing you how to set up. Step 1 is to head over to the WinDurango GitHub, and I'll have everything linked in the description, so you can find this in the description. Scroll down, go to Assets. You're going to need to download WinDurango, whatever version it is. For me, it's Alpha 3. You're also going to need to download this Direct3D 11 DLL, and this is a little bit convoluted, and that could always change. If this process changes, if something isn't working, I would come to this link right here. This is the readme on the GitHub page. Also, if you have any issues, definitely go to the WinDurango Discord server. Don't spam. Don't be annoying. Try not to ask questions that have already been asked. And I believe they're also looking for developers. So if you know C++, they're looking for developers as well. Now you need to go to your Windows settings. I'm on Windows 10, so I'm going to come down here to Update and Security. I'm going to go to For Developers, and I'm going to enable developer mode. And it's going to pop this window up, use developer features. Yes. Next thing we need to do is download the Windows App SDK. Once again, this will be linked in the description. Everything here is going to be linked in the description. You're going to go to download the latest x64 stable installer, and you're going to go ahead and run the installer. It's going to pop up this window, and it's done. Now you're going to need to install Visual Studio 2022 Community, and once again you're going to go into this installer and install it. And once that's done, it's going to pop this window up. You're going to need to scroll down slightly and find Desktop Development with C++. You're going to enable this and install. Alright, once that's done, you're going to close this. And next thing you need to download is Visual C++ Redistributable. You're going to scroll down to find the latest version, x64. And I'm also going to be installing Visual Studio 2012 as well. I'm not actually sure if you need this version or not. I had an issue where Minecraft would just open and then immediately close. And one of the steps I found in the Discord to troubleshoot that was installing this. So I'm going to install this as well. So just launch both of these. Yep. Install. Close. Launch this one as well. And it seems like I already have this one installed. So now I'm going to restart my PC. So after that, you're going to go to Settings, and you're going to go to Apps. I'm on Windows 10, so this is going to be a little bit different than Windows 11. I'll show that in a second. But you're going to come up to the search bar. It doesn't pop up regularly. I don't know why. And you're going to search Optional Feature. Add an optional feature. And you're going to add a feature. Graphics. Tools, and it's going to pop up here, and then you're going to install it. Apparently I already have it installed, but next you're going to grab WinDurango that you downloaded from the GitHub, and you're going to go ahead and extract it. So the next file that you need is the game itself, so Minecraft in this case, and specifically you need version 1.61. Otherwise it's not going to work at all. So I'm going to go ahead and extract this. Now, I can't tell you where to get this, but I can show you what the files and stuff look like. So once that's done extracting, you're going to need to go into this folder where your game is. You're going to find the mount directory. And now you're going to go into the WinDurango directory that you extracted. You're going to grab everything in here and copy it to this directory. Paste. Cool. Now you also need to go back and grab the separate Direct3D 11 DLL that you downloaded and pop it in this directory. It's going to say a destination file already exists, and you're just going to click replace. And that is important. Otherwise, it's not going to launch properly, at least for me. Next, you're going to come up here and copy the directory to this mount folder. And just go ahead and open a Windows PowerShell. And you can type cd and then just paste that path. If there's any spaces in the names of your files, you need to put quotations. But I was still getting errors before, even when I did it with the quotations. So if it has spaces in it, I would just recommend renaming it to something without spaces. It kept saying like drive C does not exist or something. Now we're going to type this command right here, add-appxpackage-register./AppxManifest.xml, and that's pointing to this file right here that's in this directory, and you're going to click enter. And it has finished. So now if we go down to the start menu, you can see that Minecraft Xbox One Edition is right here. You could click open, and my main monitor is set to my other monitor, but it's going to open. And now, boom, it's open. And you can actually come up here to full screen and plug in your controller. You do need a controller for this, obviously. Create a folder. For me, it crashes if I try to name the world, so I'm going to leave it as blank. And I'm going to get myself host privileges, create a world. And yeah, here it is. And yeah, it does run quite well. It stays around 60. Doesn't use too many system resources. And yeah, this is just really cool. I really want to get my Xbox One save off of my Xbox somehow, and somehow port it to this and just start playing on this, because this is going to have, I assume, quite a lot of cool modding capabilities in the future. Yeah, so if I pause, you can see Xbox One Edition, and if I go up here, so pretty cool. Go ahead and disable autosave, and the default account name is called Durangler0, which is pretty cool. Hope you found this useful, and hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you want. Don't if you don't want to. I don't know.
Help me!